A live look now from Niles, where extreme winds tore the top layer of the roof off of this school. You're looking at Walsh Senior Academy and Career Tech High School. This is on Toohey near Milwaukee. The fire department is there on scene assessing the damage. No one was hurt. Investigators say this was a layer of insulation that ultimately came off of the roof. In Westtown, we saw crews working at Hermitage and Cortez after that tree fell down. It'll be a busy afternoon for them. Then in Lakeview, a look at this sign that was ripped from its holding place. This is on the tracks above the corner of Addison and Lincoln. You see it there blowing in the wind, barely holding on from just the strings attached.